We'll guide you through how to reverse video in Movavi. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure that Movavi Video Editor is already installed on your device before starting this tutorial. Once you have confirmed that the software is installed, double-click the Movavi Video Editor icon to open the program. After the application launches, click File Import in the top left corner of the interface to begin importing your media. Next, click the Add Files button to continue. Select the video that you want to reverse, then click the Open button to continue with the import process. After the video is successfully imported, it will appear in the Project Files section where it is ready to be used in your project. Drag and drop the video onto the Timeline section to begin editing. Before making any changes, play the video once to see how it looks during normal playback. This will help you compare the original version with the reversed version later. Next, duplicate the video so you have a before and after comparison within the same project for easier visual comparison. Once the duplicate has been created, right-click the second video clip on the timeline. Then, click the Video Tools menu to access additional editing options for the selected clip. From the available list, select the General option to open the General Video Settings. After the Settings panel opens, scroll all the way to the bottom until you reach the final section. There, you will find the Reverse option. Check the Reverse option to reverse the video playback so the clip plays backward from the end to the beginning. After enabling the Reverse option, move the timeline to the beginning of the video so playback starts from the first frame. Next, click the full screen icon for a clearer and larger preview of the edited clip. Click the play button to see the final result and compare the original video with the reversed version.